Carrera S. I did wrap this car 7 months ago, and then he got the owner got the accident in that area. So we need to sandwich the boot here, make it flat, and then we wrap it again. So I'm going to show you how to remove the Porsche 911 front bumper and also headlight too. So let's do it together. First things you need to remove is the that cover. And the other side, just grab it and then slide it off. And then here, started from this corner, it's coming off, and then having the two key here, and then the last one, just slide it out. And then when you want to put it back, you need to first matching this one and then put it inside. Do the same things on the other side. And then the last one, just grab like this, having the 4 tab or whatever. So first things, okay. Here should be torque 3, but this car bolt didn't missing. Here inside having the one silver metal the holding the bolt, that was part missing. So I remember all of that. And then okay, so other things, you need the tools like this, and then if you check it inside, we having the one bracket there. This is the best way I always do for the Porsche. This one, and then same way slide it inside. All Porsche is same. And then now you are done with the upper part. So the things we need, okay, for removing the side marker, just with the hand grab it like this, and then as soon as this head coming off, you can, okay, grab this one inside, this one coming out, and then put it back. So now we have here, should be 25 or 20. All the bolt of the Porsche is 20 or 30. Torque V. One, two, and one here. Okay, now we have another one, size 30 at the top. Let me change the feet. Okay, plastic, of course, is very hard. Actually, this 122. Okay. Checking the inside. I don't know you can see or not. This cable, it need to remove.
Where is the light? I'm gonna put the flashlight.
What is that? I couldn't find my light. Can you see this brown color? Can you go more close? That connector here, having the one tab in the bottom. So if you cannot grab it with your hand, something like this, hold it and then take the cable out. That is the tricky part. This one. Push this one and it come out. So let's go for the bottom. All here, it has a lot. It need to remove. It's gonna be 30. We are done. And then let's go other side. Same way we did for the right side, but only one thing's left side. The hose for those light washer also is here too. So same things, removing 3-point inside. If you're having the lifting, is much easier. So also I put the car on the lift. Same things, grab this one and then now out. Try it 21st, but it didn't work. Okay. You come this way. Show it better. Same cable here. Actually, for 911 is more closer than Boxster. Boxster is too far. This one, okay. And then for the washer, can you see this plastic white color? The things you need, you have to push it this way and then bring it out. Okay? So now bumper all free. Things you need, grab the bumper, slide it. So now, grab the bumper like this. I should be more taking care because I'm having the wrap. One thing you have to know about the Porsche, the bumper, not like the BMW or Benz, you need to push the bracket. All having the something like that sliding inside. Okay? That's important things. Okay, for the light, this is how you're removing the bumper. Let me close the key. Okay. And then the things we need, 10mm wrench. Okay. Can you see here? One nut here, and then another one is here. So don't need to open the all, just like 50%, 60%, get loosened, it's gonna slide it out. This way, it's coming off. So I should take care to not to scratch on the wrap. And here, so this is the way how you can remove the Porsche 911 Carrera or other 911 over 2015, and then headlight. Also Porsche Boxster 718, I already have the video on my channel, you can check it. Totally same, exactly same, only that hose dozer, it's more far, it's around here. So I hope you guys like my video and then be helpful for you guys. Please subscribe my channel, comment below, and then we will contact each other. See you next time.